This is a Ridgid Oscillating Spindle Sander. A lot of you have this in your shop, and if you do, you know that there's a problem that arises from time to time. Stick around and we'll talk about it. Hi, I'm Paul. Welcome to my messy workshop. As I was saying, this is a Ridgid Oscillating Spindle Sander. And if you have one in your shop, you know that as you use it, this knob right here tightens up so tight that it's almost impossible to get off without a pair of pliers. What this nut does is it's how you change from the belt to the oscillating spindle and back to the belt. The belt and the oscillating spindle turn clockwise. This knob is a left-handed thread. What that means is that as this spins, this knob tightens. To get it off is a nightmare. But I've solved that problem. So stick around and I'll show you what I did. I opened Fusion 360 on my computer and I designed the socket of the wrench based on what I thought it should look like after looking at the knob and doing some measurements. After I got that where I wanted, I added the handle. From there, I opened Cura and prepared the settings and the G-code. Then I saved that to a SD card. Then it was off to the 3D printer. This is just some of the settings that were on the 3D printer. It just shows the bed temperature and the extruder temperature and how far along the print is. And here's a shot of the completed wrench. Well, there's the completed wrench. Fits right on that knob. And it loosens it. I haven't had it get so tight yet to where I couldn't loosen it with the wrench. Knob comes right off. You switch to your oscillating spindle sander or to the belt sander, whichever. Put the knob back on. If it gets too tight, you just use the wrench to take it off, and you don't end up boogering up that knob using pliers on it. I'm going to put the plans for this, or the files for this, on Thingiverse, and I'll put a link to that in the description down below. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. I answer all my comments. If you want to email me, my email address is paulsmessyworkshop@gmail.com. All one word, Paul's Messy Workshop. Well, till next time, I hope this has proved useful to you, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video.